Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to simulate an earthquake virus effect on your desktop. It's for educational purposes only. Now before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to simulate the earthquake virus effect, you have to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, we are going to download an application called AutoHotkey. So to do that, I'm going to open my browser. You can go with any browser of your choice, okay? And then we type autohotkey.com. So this is the home page we are going to do the download, okay? So I'm going to click on download. And then we download the version 1.1 deprecated, okay? So I'm going to click on that. And then the file is downloaded, okay? So after it's finished downloading, I'm going straight with the installation. So I'm going to open the file, and then we are going to double click on it to initiate the installation, okay? So I'm going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So let me close the browser, and I'll close the file explorer, okay? So now we are going to install the Express. So I'm going to click on Express installation. Okay, so now we are done installing the AutoHotkey onto our system. So let me close it. And then to use the AutoHotkey to write the script, we are first going to create a shortcut to the desktop, or we are going to right click on an empty space on the desktop, and then we go to new, and then AutoHotkey script, okay? So I'm going to name it earthquake virus, okay? So now I'm going to write the script. So I'll right click on the AutoHotkey icon, then I'll go to show more options, and I'll go to edit script, okay? So I'm going to click on that, and then here we are going to type the script, okay? So let me remove all this. So I've already copied the script, so let me paste it here. So I'm going to leave the script at the description below, okay? So you can try it, and then you leave the comment at the comment section. So I'm going to click on save to save the script, okay? So let me close the notepad, and then to run the virus, you just double click on that, and then you see what your screen, okay? So you see how your screen is behaving. So to stop the script, you are going to click on the up arrow here on the notification, and then we right click on the earthquake virus icon or the AutoHotkey icon, and then we click on exit, okay? So if you want the intensity of your screen shaking, let me edit the script, and then you see how that one also looks like, okay? So I'm going to click on show more options, and then edit script. So now we are going to change the 20 to, let's say, okay, then I'll click on file and then save. So let me close the notepad, and then let me run the script again. So you see the intensity of your screen, like the earthquake, okay? But it's just for a prank, okay? It's just for a prank and for educational purposes only. Okay, so let me exit the virus. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.